Hi my lovelies, welcome again to my channel. Hope you guys are well and enjoying your summer. I am going to be sharing my favorites. It's been a long time and I've got loads of items here to share with you guys. But before we get into the video, may I ask kindly that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if you have already, thank you so much. Don't forget to click on the notification bell because that lets you know when I put out a brand new video and you will be part of my notification gang. And you know how much I love you guys, okay? And do not forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. I'm literally begging for them because I love them. I love seeing them. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you've used any of the items, let me know. If you're a creator and you've done your own current favorite, please let me know in the comment section below because I'm going to go over to your channel and watch. I mean, like, if you have a nice makeup stuff, I can go buy one for myself. You know, I like to look good. Or if you've got fragrance, I'll go and get one for myself because I like to smell good as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So stay with me and let's do it. The first item I would like to share with you guys is this beautiful eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution, and this one is the Tammy X one. Now, before I go ahead and tell you guys about this eyeshadow palette, I would like to say thank you to the person who gave this to me, Sean's World. Sean is my YouTube sister. She's a beautiful lady. In fact, she's stunning inside out. I love her so much. She reviewed this palette and I commented on her comment section and I said I've never used it before and she said, oh, okay, and then she sent it to me. Guys, oh, I love this. This is, do you know, like, I have other eyeshadow palettes but I don't use them. I only use this one and I'll tell you why. My goodness, guys, can you see? And I'm sweating again, sorry about this. It's the light and it's hot. It's hot. So look at all these colors. It came with a plastic cover that had all the names written on it, but I've lost it. But I love every single color in here. I absolutely love it. The one I'm wearing right now, and I only just used a little. I'm wearing that one, this one, and then I darkened just a little bit on the outer corner of my eyes, if you can see it, just very lightly with that one. The colors are insane. Like, I have other eyeshadow palettes but I never really use them anymore. I only use this because it's got everything that I need here. Everything here. You know, like, you get some eyeshadow palettes, you use one color and you don't need the other because you don't really like them. This one, every single color here I like. So it's Tammy X by Makeup Revolution, given to me by my lovely and absolutely stunning Sean's World. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box below. Make sure you check out her channel. She does makeup. She's a makeup artist. I'm not. So you can learn so much from her. Go check that out. But I really love this. This is my #1 item. I hope you like it. If you've used it before, leave your comments in the comment section below if you haven't. And especially when the carnival is coming now, you would like this. This will be absolutely perfect for making your eyes pop for carnival. So yeah, my #1 stuff. I really actually like that. So guys, I'm shining again. There's nothing I can do about it. My face is making oil and the light is directly on me and it's hot. So I hope you guys don't mind. Okay, so the next item, and if you follow me on Instagram, which I think you should really, my Instagram is nice. You should follow me. Okay, I've buzzed about this item before. So this is you can see I've used it quite a lot because it's a bit mucky at the front. It's Summer of Love triple. I'm not wearing my glasses, so I'm gonna put it like that so I can see it. It's a triple baked bronzer. This is my absolute go-to. Guys, look, I'm wearing it. I mean, look at that glow. Honestly, guys, I don't need to do too much. It just, in all my photos that I've used this bronzer and highlights, you can just see it. So basically, I just swipe all three and it just gives me this absolute majestic glow. Like, guys, I mean, look at that. So beautiful. So it's my #2 favorite item, and again, it's from Makeup Revolution and is Summer of Love. Okay, triple baked Summer of Love. If you want it, you can go get it. It's so good, not expensive. I can't remember how much I bought. I think it's about £4 or thereabout. It's not expensive at all, and this is amazing. Probably the best I've ever used, and I really like this, and I like the packaging. It's just so cute. Okay, so that's it. Summer of Love Triple Baked Bronzer. If you want to glow like I'm doing right now, go get it. So my next item is Prep and Fix Glow Skin Mist. I absolutely love this, and it's from it's from Obsession Makeup London. This is not a very popular brand, but I've bought this in Boots the Chemist. They actually have other items that are really interesting, but I've not tried them. But I bought this because it's 3-in-1. So I spray this before I apply my makeup. Obviously I spray to prep my face, and then I let it settle, and then put my makeup, and then I spray again to set my makeup. I love this. I don't know, I think I used to use Maybelline one before, and I found this. This is my second bottle. It sets my makeup. My makeup doesn't move. Like, I've not just done this makeup, I've been out for hours and come back, and I decided, oh, let me just record my video now that I've got time. I've actually been wearing this makeup, and I set it with this. It's absolutely wonderful. I like it. It's not expensive, guys. It's not a very popular makeup line. I've not really seen a lot of people talking about them, but if you have used any of their items, please leave your comments in the comment section below and let me know. I really like this one. I like to try out makeup. I never really stick to one makeup item. As long as it doesn't break me out, I will try so many different things because I get bored using one thing all the time. So I like to try different brands, especially if it's affordable. Why not? Okay, I don't need to be attached to one brand of makeup, especially if it works, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm really glad with this one. Obsession Makeup London. Okay, if you've used it, like I said before, leave your comments in the comment section below and let me know. Okay, so my next item is Makari. Hey guys, I owe you a full review on this one, and that will be my next video, so calm down, don't worry. I've been seeing your comments. I'm not ignoring you. I am prepping for this coming up for you, just for you guys, you know what I mean? Makari. Oh guys, this is not the only one I've got. I've got the serum and I've got the glycerin as well, but this has made it to my favorite, and when I do my review I will tell you why. So let's hail Makari for making it to my favorite. I'm loving this. My skin is absolutely loving this brand. Guys, my edges are intact. The back of my hair is intact. Guys, I've been using the black castor oil because my hair started to fall out the front bit, and I didn't even relax my hair. So I stopped relaxing my hair because the relaxer was damaging my hair, and I felt like, well, if I wear my natural hair, my hair will stay, my edges will stay, the nape will stay. Guys, what do you know? I was still losing my edges and I was still losing the hair at the back, and someone recommended castor oil. I bought the normal one. It wasn't really doing much until I went and bought the Jamaican black castor oil. Guys, I am liking this. The edges, my edges are doing really well, and the hair at the nape area, yeah, it's growing. This is absolutely wonderful. Sometimes I rub it raw into my hair, but most times I pour it into like a spray bottle, pour water in it, and I spray my hair with it when I comb my hair. Not this one, this is a wig. Like the hair underneath my hair is growing beautifully. I will leave the link in the description box below where you can find this particular one and buy it for yourself. Say if you're losing hair or you're planning to grow your hair quicker, I would definitely recommend this Jamaican black castor oil for you. Okay, so there you go. If you've used this item before, leave your comment in the comment section below, and if it works for you, give me a thumbs up to agree with me. Okay, you already know that I love you, right? You know I will not keep you hanging. So the part 2 of this video will be uploaded at 6 p.m. today, so don't go anywhere. Make sure you watch that, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well. Love you lots. Mwah.